Hello everyone, it's me Mohammad Naqi. And I developed the HTML and CSS capstone project for the Microverse. This is the layout which I should make. See, here it is. Here we have to create the capstone project at the end of each section of Microverse syllabus. I got a project for making website similar to this electronic shop. The layout and design should be same as this website. See the layout. Yeah, this all layout should be same as the website. Mm. Also, the font families are shown here. Helvetica, this type and fonts. As per me, I made a food website which sells biryani dish and other beverages. Decided us to use the same font colors which is shown here. This color, these three colors. Then it should be looking good at mobile and tablet views. Here it appears. See this. See my navbar pod. This is the first pod. I divided into several pods. Second is the showcase section, um, which contains also it contains carousel and all this layout. Next, then if we look at analyze it, see this section. I created a grid and named it as veg biryani with this layout where I can be used to sell the biryani items. So the next part continues as non-veg biryani items. It is the same part. Then egg biryani I used to sell, which is also the same layout grid. Then finally there are beverages and bread section. The grid layout is same as the above. Then this is the footer which I made. This footer section consists of two divisions. The main thing is the top footer and the border footer. So this is my footer. Then here which includes here I can select the options and I can type something here like searching. I'll name the country name and search. If I search or if we click this for search, the new search thing opens, which I can the search page which I created. This is also made up of Bootstrap. It consists of two columns. This is one column. This is second column. So if we reduce its sign increase, see this. Uh, See the size. It look like when I reduce the size, it disappears. For the main page too, it looks like this. Then these are the things I made. Also, footer changes in mobile version. If we use the mobile version, the footer changes. See this now. If we go to footer, it changes as per the screen size. Then let me show you the code for this biryani website. Here is the code. This code I used various CSS files. Under CSS files, CSS files there are base components. I created various folders. This includes base. This is for global CSS things, which you can see there. These are global things. Then the other which I made is typography. Is main for font families. So I made this typography. Then the third one is variables. Here I created many variables. I named it and I gave it the color. Then there is component section. In that this carousel this CSS is mainly for bootstrap, carousel bootstrap, which I made there. Then item segment is used for Mid it, here I use media queries for this 991px and 570px, and also I set the grid template column for this. Then there is a showcase form which includes the styles for showcase. Then finally it's layout. In layout it consists of for selling things, selling biryani items, which I made the class. Then this is for styling the footer using the SCSS, and this is for the styling for header, and this is styling for other remaining sections, results and showcase. I use media queries for that. Then let's go to package.json. Here it consists of various things which I mentioned. Then let's go to page. Sorry, I went to the parallel edition. Here this is SAS, which is used for converting SSS files. It will translate to SSS files. For HTML, it consists of header, main, and footer. Now see the both page. It's the main CSS page, header, main, and footer. So, in main, it consists of showcase, and similarly, it's for search page, header, main, and footer. In main, it consists of this showcase. So, these are my some brief things about my project. Hope you will be liking about that.